Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is how to solve this nice integration. I equals to integral from -1 to 1, open bracket, the square root of x raised to the power of 13 plus x raised to the power of 8, close the bracket, dx. Solution. Let's write out the problem. I equals to integral from -1 to 1, the square root of x raised to the power 13 plus x raised to the power 8 dx. The first thing we need to do is to understand which type of integration is this. And this is a symmetric integral. And in a symmetric integral, one, we have to change the limit and factor out the expression inside the square root. Let's factor out the expression first. The expression inside the square root, x raised to the power 13 plus x raised to the power 8. Let's factor it out first. This will be equal to x raised to the power 8, open bracket, x raised to the power 5 plus 1. And this is the same base. 8 plus 5 will give 13. Then we have x raised to the power 13. X raised to the power 8 times 1 will result to x raised to the power 8. So if you have it at this, we said the square root of 8, x raised to the power 8 will be equal to, it can be resolved into square root of x raised to the power 4 raised to the power of 2, and which is equal to the absolute value of x raised to the power of 4, because x is greater than or equals to 0 for all real value of x. Now the problems can be written as I equals to integral from -1 to 1. After factor it out. Now the problem will be x raised to the power of 4. Instead of x raised to the power of 8, we've simplified it to be equal to x raised to the power 4. The square root, we are left with x raised to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Using substitution method, we said let u equals to x raised to the power 5 plus 1. Differentiate u with respect to x. The result equals to 5x raised to the power 4 dx. If I want to make x raised to the power 4 dx as subject, x raised to the power 4 dx. If I want to make it as subject here, from here, du equals to this. If I want to make x raised to the power 4 dx as subject, I will have it as, that is, by dividing both sides by 5, and this will be equal to du over 5. Now, since it is symmetry, and I told you that we have to change the limit. Now, let's change the limit. And this is how we do it. When x equals to -1 from the lower limit, from u equals to x raised to the power 5 plus 1. This will be equal to, we said x is -1. -1 raised to the power 5 plus 1. This will result to -1 plus 1, and the answer will be equal to 0. That is, the new lower limit will be 0. When x equals to 1 for the upper limit, from u equals to x raised to the power 5 plus 1, this one will be equal to 1 raised to the power of 5 plus 1. This will result to 1. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. That is, the new low upper limit is 2. Having read this, from where we've gone, I equals to integral minus 1 to 1 x raised to the power of 4, the square root of x raised to the power of 5 plus 1 dx. This is from where we've gone. Now we've resolved all this equation into I equals to integral. Now introduce the new limit is 0 to 2 x raised to the power of 5 plus 1. If we replace it by u, then we have the square root of u multiplied by, we are left with x raised to the power of 4 dx. And from our previous substitution, we said x raised to the power of 4 dx is equal to du over 5. Now let's factorize out the constant. From here we can have it as I equals to, factorize out this constant, 1 over 5. The integral from 0 to 2. This square root is the same thing as 1 over 2. Then we have u raised to the power 1 over 2 du. Now let's integrate. I equals to 1 over 5. Integrate this function. If we integrate this one out, integral of u raised to the power 1 over 2 du will be equal to u raised to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, and which will be equal to 2 over 3 u raised to the power 3 over 2. Using the algebraic formula, a raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now let's substitute this back to the problem. After integration, then we have I equals to 1 over 5. The final answer for this is 2 over 3 u raised to the power 3 over 2. Introducing the limits is 0 to 2. I equals to, let's open this bracket. 1 times 2, 2, 5 times 3, that is 15. Let's introduce this limit. We are left with u raised to the power 3 over 2, 0 to 2. I equals to 2 over 15. If u equals to 2, then we have 2 raised to the power 3 over 2 minus, if u is equals to 0, is 0 raised to the power 3 over 2. Already this becomes 0, so we are left with this. I equals to 2 over 15, open bracket, 2 raised to the power 3 over 2. But don't forget, I went to the indices. This is the power, while this is the root. And 2 raised to the power 3 over 2. From here, 2 raised to the power 3 over 2. We said this is the power, while this is the root. Then, which means that the square root of 2 raised to the power 3. And 2 raised to the power 3 will give what? Will give us 8. Square root of 8. If we simplify this, we can simplify it as 4 times 2. Square root of 4 will give 2, then root 2. Therefore, 2 raised to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 2 root 2. So let's substitute it here. Then we have I equals to 2 over 15. We've resolved 2 raised to the power 3 over 2 into what? 2 root 2. by opening the bracket, I will be equal to 2 times 2 here. 2 times 2 root 2, that is 4 root 2 over 15. Therefore, integral from minus 1 to 1, the square root of x raised to power 13 plus x raised to power 8 dx will be equal to 4 root 2 over 15, and this will be our final answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.